Hello, friends. Today I will tell you a story about a girl named Anya. Anya was a bright little girl, about 12 years old. She had a best friend, Mira. The two of them laughed together, played together, and shared every secret. They would sit under the big banyan tree in the village park, talking about their dreams. Mira wanted to be a teacher. Anya wanted to be an artist. But one day, something happened. Mira's family had to move to another town. Her father got a new job far away, and just like that, Mira was gone. Anya stood by the road as Mira's cart rolled away. She waved until her arms hurt, but soon the cart disappeared in the dust. Anya whispered, "Please come back, Mira." But Mira never returned. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. Every morning, Anya sat by the window. She looked at the road where Mira had left. She hoped that one day Mira would come back, smiling. But the road stayed empty. When children in the neighborhood invited Anya to play, she shook her head. She said softly, "No, thank you." Her heart was stuck in yesterday. She thought, "If I laugh with new friends, maybe I will forget Mira, and I don't want to forget." So she stayed alone. One evening, Anya's grandmother noticed her sadness. She sat beside Anya and asked, "My child, why do you always sit by the window?" Anya whispered, "I'm waiting for Mira. I don't want to move on. I don't want to lose her." Grandmother took her hand gently and said, "Anya, the past is like a closed book. If you keep reading the same page, you will never start a new chapter." Anya blinked. She didn't understand at first. "A new chapter?" she asked. "Yes," said Grandmother, smiling. "Mira is part of your story. But your story is not finished. You must turn the page so new friends and new joys can enter your life." Anya's heart was quiet. She thought about her grandmother's words all night. The next morning, something changed. Instead of sitting by the window, Anya put on her shoes and walked outside. The sun was warm. The park was full of children laughing and playing. For the first time in many months, Anya smiled. She saw two girls flying a kite. She saw a boy drawing shapes in the sand. She took a deep breath and whispered, maybe I can try." Slowly she walked toward them. "Hello," she said softly. The children looked up and smiled. "Hello, do you want to play with us?" And just like that, something began to heal inside Anya's heart. Day by day, Anya joined the games. She laughed again. She painted with her new friends. She learned to skip rope, to tell jokes, to smile freely. Sometimes she still missed Mira. Sometimes she looked at the old banyan tree and remembered. But this time, the memories didn't hurt. They felt sweet, like an old song in her heart. She understood something new. Letting go is not forgetting. It is moving forward. It is making space for today. And so, Anya learned to let go of the past. She carried Mira's memory in her heart, but she also opened her arms to new friendships and new happiness. My dear friends, remember this. If we hold too tightly to yesterday, we cannot enjoy today. When we let go, we find peace, love, and joy